Alright, it's me again, guys. And this time, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 vivid voltage. Well, just let you guys know, I managed to get like cost price for this, okay? Because if you go to any shop in Melbourne at the moment, they probably sell it like $9 or more $10. eBay, worse. Alright, it's pretty crazy out there. But I managed to get this at cost price at $6. So let's open up, yeah? So just to let you know, there are not many rares that's worth selling from VV Voltage. What you want to get is this one right here. Right, it's the Pikachu VMAX Secret. So this one has already a listing price if it's mint for $600. I think this is USD, by the way. So wish me luck. So right, I'm gonna open the first package right here. Let's go. First one here. So you can see that. There we go. The ferro seat. Normal. Other team decks, current team decks, where they always have a common foil. So let's see what's the rare at the back. We have just a normal green rare. What we have? Shamin. Okay. Alrighty. Can see them. Fairy. What's at the back? And oh, it's a Snorlax. Alright. No VMAX in there, no rainbow, just a regular Snorlax. Careful, dude. Okay, here we go. We have Wooper. Jibu. The next card, is it? Or is it the third one? I can't remember. Lugia! Wow, okay. Nice. Well, once upon a time, this used to be a legendary, if I'm not wrong. Here we go. Lugia. And 2 rares. So another rare here is a Grablock. There we go. Nice. Alright. Here we go. Meowth. Meowth. What's at the back? What's at the back? Oh, okay. Nothing's too drastic. It's a Minatrick. There we go. Rare. Second last pack. Here we go. Tribu. Let's just chip off. And the back. Oh, there we go. Rare Manatrick. Alright, energy card. Last chance. Last one here. Come on, come on. Last chance, guys. Last chance. Roof. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, okay. Wooper. Oh crap. And new large chance, Wooper, and Lycan Rock. Go. Yep, that's it, guys. That's all for tonight from FEB Voltage unboxing.